Hi guys, so hello, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I will share how to make fried palm oil beans. If you're interested, please keep watching. The first thing we are going to do is to pre-cook our beans. This is to reduce the tendency of the beans to cause bloating. So add water to a pot. When the water boils, pour in your beans, add salt, mix it together, cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. You can use any type of beans you like. You can use brown beans or black eye beans, just like I'm doing. So just cover it and let it boil for 10 minutes. Now this was after 10 minutes. As you can see, the water that came out from the beans has a different color, and all this I believe are part of the things that would cause bloating in the beans. So just sieve out this water and rinse the beans several times, then pour it back into a pot of boiling water and cook until very tender. I prefer to cook mine with a pressure pot. It cooks it faster and it browns and gets really soft. Now, after rinsing the beans, transfer back into a pot of boiling water, add onion, add salt and cover and let it cook. If you are making yours without a pressure pot, all you need to do is to boil water in a kettle, keep by the side and be adding it gradually into the pot of beans. Don't pour too much water at the same time. If you do, the beans will come out too mushy. So just keep water by the side and add it slowly. So this was after 35 minutes of cooking the beans, and mine is very well done now. This is how your beans should look after cooking. So now I'm going to take out the big chunk of onion I used in cooking the beans. Okay, it has done its purpose. We don't need it anymore. So I'm just going to take it out and dispose it. Also, you can decide to sieve out the excess water in the beans, or you just let it boil until it gets dry. It depends on the consistency you want your beans to be. So next we are going to fry the beans. So add palm oil to a pot, add your onions. Just use enough onions, okay? Enough onions will make your beans to be very tasty. So those quantity of beans that I'm making, I added 1 seasoning cube. Then I stirred everything together and let the onions fry till very translucent. When the onions are translucent, pour in your beans, add ground crayfish and pepper, add salt to taste and mix everything together. So let me tell you guys, this method of cooking beans is the best for me. I used to dislike beans a lot, but since I started making my beans this way, I don't go a week without eating beans, okay? I'm now a fan of beans. So if you hate beans, if you don't like beans, just try and make it using this method. I assure you, you are going to love it. It gives your beans this very nice flavor, and make sure you cook your beans till very brown. That way you enjoy the beans and it won't cause bloating or any stomach discomfort for you. You can pair those beans with plantains, with rice, with potato, with yams, with bread, with gari, or anything at all you love to pair your beans with. Just try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you have not done that already, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and have a nice day.